insanity is doing the exact same fucking thing over and over again, expecting shit to change. That is crazy. But the first time somebody told me that, I don't know, I thought they were bullshitting me, so boom, I shot them. The thing is, okay, he was right. And then I started seeing it everywhere I looked. Everywhere I looked, all these fucking pricks. Everywhere I looked, doing the exact same fucking thing. Over and over and over and over and over again. Thinking, this time, it's gonna be different. No, please. This time, it's gonna be different. I'm sorry. I don't like the way you are looking at me. Okay? You have a fucking problem in your head. Do you think I'm bullshitting you? Do you think I'm lying? Fuck you! Okay? Fuck you! It's okay, man. I'm gonna chill, man. I'm gonna chill. The thing is, alright? The thing is, I killed you once already. And it's not like I am fucking crazy. It's okay. It's like water under the bridge. Did I ever tell you the definition of insanity?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, fuck you!
What the fuck? Had it with that son of a bitch. No fucking way is he taking those warriors. Chopper. That must be where he took the warriors.
Holy shit!
It's Jason! It's Jason!
Let's see what you got, pussy! Charge! Oh! I got the bastard!
you like this!
He's running for the chopper!
Don't let him get to the chopper! I'm moving! Chopper! No time to lose.
Aim for the gas tank!
Out of the cluster, chopper! Shoot him down! Take off!
Okay.
Get us up! Go!
You think you're smart, Snow White? Losing me like that?
Did I ever tell you the definition of insanity?
Fuck!
He's come back from the dead!
Dennis!
Jason,
Dennis.
how is this possible? Luck favors you, my friend.
Who's responsible for this?
Vas, in celebration of your death. But it was more of a show for Hoyt.
I'm far from dead. Tell Citra I'm coming.
Okay, I will tell her right now.
I've got to get my stuff back from those pirates.
Oh my God!
It's Brody! I said he can't be blind! Fuck down! Jason! Roy! How much drink? You be kind. I got Good, motherfucker! How much drink? I'm gonna carve you up! We can go to pay! I'm gonna cut you down!
Can't hide from me! Is that all you got? Where the fuck?